Good afternoon, YouTubers. Forest Boy here. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for watching. Well, we're on day one on the Scotland trip. We left at 6:30 this morning. Well, you can see the kind of people I've got with me. Loons. Anyway, we're in the Yorkshire Dales. I'm not quite sure where, but we've stopped by this beautiful little river running through. Had a quick coffee. We had a bit of rain on the way up this morning, nothing too much. We took the M6 from Ross-on-Wye up to Tewkesbury, and then from Tewkesbury up to Kendal. And from Kendal we got off the motorway and we're now just going across country. We've been across the military road and it's absolutely beautiful. Anyway, I'll do a bit of recording now as we go along. I didn't want to record this morning because it was just motorway and boring rubbish. So if you're interested, get yourself a cup of tea. Join me after the intro. Okay, so we are on the B6278. We've done most of it now, but my God, what a cracking road. The last time I did it, it was in the heat of summer, so it's a bit different today. We've seen a bit of snow here and there in the shadows. It's quite windy. I'm not sure if you can hear the wind, but it really has been fantastic. So that's Leon in front of me on his Honda NT 1100. Leon's an ex-racer. Leon Larigo used to be known as the White Tornado. I say an ex-racer, he started racing again and last year finished second in the British Championship at 71 years old. So he's a bit tasty. We've been friends for 45 years. We used to compete together when we were young chaps in our 20s, but I could never really compete with him. Wow, that's a tight one. And another one. Okay, this is Paul in front now. Paul's the baby of the group. He's only in his 50s, mid-50s at that, I think. Nick, the other guy, is in his 60s, and Leon and I are both in our 70s, so Paul's just a child. Very good rider, very experienced. I've known Paul about 8 years, I suppose. We've done quite a bit of riding together. He's coming on my trip to the Alps this year. He knows what he's doing. Oh, look at this scenery, isn't it? Absolutely amazing. My word, it's windy though. I'm sure you can hear it on the camera. It's really cutting across from the left. So yeah, we've got about 130 miles to go to Edinburgh. About 2.5 hours according to the sat-nav. We'll stop at the stone, the England-Scotland stone on the border, take a couple of photographs. It's got to be done. And then we'll go on up through Edinburgh to our hotel on the west side of Edinburgh. So it's been a great first day, absolutely brilliant. I mean, these guys are all prepared for it. They ride all year round, they know exactly what to expect in the winter. And we've had it all on the first day. We actually saw snow in one place a little bit further back. Not much, to be honest, but some snow in the hollows. We've had heavy rain. We've had drizzle. We've had cloud. thick fog and beautiful sunshine. And it's only 2:15. Oh, I hate it when there are sheep on the road. Yeah, so they're good guys, they're all very good riders, they've got good equipment, they know what they're doing, they know what to expect, and they've all got a sense of humour. So it's been a good first day so far, especially since we got off the motorway. I mean, the trip up, we came up just past Kendal, T-Bay, I think it's called T-Bay. We pulled in there, filled up with petrol. Had a bit of lunch. And then started heading across country. We came across the military road. We ended up going through a farmyard. I'm quite sure how that happened, to be honest, but anyway. Yeah, it was a proper farmyard. Mud, crap, ruts. We had to open a gate to go through and open another gate and close another gate to get back out. There were sheep and cows and God knows what else there. It was at one stage we weren't quite sure if we were even on a road or we should have even been in there, but luckily a post lady in a van came along and she told us we were on the right road. It was actually a road, so that was great. It's a proper adventure, and that's just day one. And I'll follow him. Cattle grid. Okay, so now we have Nick in front. Nick, again, I've known for about 7 or 8 years. Very good rider. We've travelled quite a bit together, UK and abroad. He's on a GS 1250 or GSA 1250. Great guy, Nick. Very calm, very relaxed. Takes everything in stride with a smile. So we're just coming past Derwent now. Derwent Water is on our left. I can't see it, but I know it's there. Northumberland, England's border county. Whoa! Couldn't see him on there at all. And that was quite a big truck. So we're now on our way. We're in Scotland. We've got 60 odd miles to go to Edinburgh. We'll be in Edinburgh in a minute. For the last run in now. It's been a good day. Beautiful, beautiful scenery. There you go. Edinburgh. Oh, what a sight. Oh, it's a hell of a sight, isn't it? I just love it. It's just such a beautiful sight. Look at it, it's stunning, isn't it? Mary Queen of Scots house. Well, we are still 25 miles from Edinburgh because I had a puncture just outside Edinburgh. We pulled in Edinburgh, topped up for petrol, ready for the morning, and about 5 miles out of Edinburgh I had a puncture in the back tyre. So I didn't beat my record. It took me 14 minutes to do this one. I have done them in 10 or less, but this one was 14. It was a big staple, a great big staple. I was like, oh god, there's going to be 2 holes in there anyway. Luckily one half of the staple was missing, and it was very rusty, so it obviously was missing, though it was just one plug. Not the end of the world. We're used to punctures. So we're going to be a little bit later. Having said that, it's only 15 minutes difference, so it's neither in or there. We'll be in the hotel by 5:30 easily. I've checked the tyre pressure the last 10 mile and it's actually gone up a pound, so in fact I'll check it again now while I'm talking. Yeah, it's still up. It went up 1 pound or 1 psi within the first few miles, and it's stabilised on that 1 psi, and that was a good 15 minutes ago, so we're okay. Nice road this, the road into Edinburgh. We just came through Gale Hills. We're going in that way because we're on the west side of Edinburgh. Absolutely covered in cameras, so well, we're in no rush. It's been a great day. So yeah, 20 minutes we'll be in the hotel. So I think that's enough for today. It'll only be a very short one because it's not been, as I said, the most interesting day, because the first part was all motorway and I didn't even bother to record that. Day 2, tomorrow. We'll leave Edinburgh in the morning, 40 miles up the motorway to Perth, and then we're across country up through the Cairngorms. Let's just hope the weather is with us. The weather forecast for tomorrow is very, very cold, with some rain in the afternoon, but by then we'll be back down out of the Cairngorms and heading up the A9 to John O'Groats, so it doesn't matter if it rains going up there. And then the day after that is actually supposed to be a nice dry day, so but it can all change. The weather changes up here so quickly. I don't put any too much faith or confidence in the weather forecast. We deal with what it chucks at us when we're riding. Anyway, I'm going to call it a day there. I'll perhaps put a photograph up of us outside the hotel when we reach the hotel, but that'll do for today. It's getting dark. We want to get to the hotel and have a shower and a beer and some grub. So, this is Forest Boy signing out. I hope you've enjoyed the first day of our Scottish trip, our Scottish winter trip. If you have, hit the subscribe notification button. You'll get told when the next ones go up. So, Forest Boy signing out for now. Ride safe, take care. See you next time. Bye for now.